Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily iron a linen shirt. First, always check the care label on your garment for any specific instructions. Next, lightly dampen your linen shirt with a spray bottle. This helps relax the fibers. Finally, set your iron to a high heat setting, specifically designed for linen, to ensure effective wrinkle removal. Now, let's tackle the collar and cuffs. Start with the collar, ironing from the underside and moving outwards to the points. This helps create a crisp finish. For the cuffs, lay them flat and iron both sides, working from the center. Remember to use a pressing cloth if your shirt has any delicate details. Moving on to the main body and sleeves. Lay the shirt flat on your ironing board, starting with the back panel. Iron the sleeves by carefully aligning the seams and pressing firmly. Always use long, even strokes with your iron to smooth out wrinkles and avoid creating any new, unwanted creases on the fabric. For the perfect finish, immediately hang your freshly ironed shirt on a sturdy hanger. This allows the fabric to set and prevents new wrinkles. Let the shirt cool completely for at least 10 minutes before wearing or storing. Finally, store your linen shirts in a cool, dry place to maintain their crisp, smooth appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.